Okay, this is the second video in Balancing Practice Real Slow with Moser. Still working on the balancing equations practice sheet that you were given in physical science. We're going to do problem number 2. Al2O3 plus Fe gives us Al plus FeO. It's a little bit more complicated. Let's get started. Okay, my first step, just like last time, is to rewrite the equation with spaces in front of each reactant and each product. And I've got 2 reactants and 2 products now. Also remember, if I'm not going slow enough, use your pause button. Okay, I rewrote the space Al2O3 plus space Fe, my little yields arrow, space Al plus space FeO. I can't change formulas. I can't change subscripts. That makes everything wrong. All right, what's next? Next, I need to list all the atoms that are present and tally them up. That means count. I drew that line down from my yields arrow, and I've listed all the atoms that occur in this reaction on each side of that line. And on the reactant side, I have 2 aluminum, which we know because of the subscript 2 behind the Al. I've got 3 oxygen, which I know because of the subscript 3 behind the O. And I've only got 1 iron, Fe, because, well, there's no subscript on it and there's no coefficient in front of it. Now, on the product side, I've got 1 of everything. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my oxygen because it appears in a compound on each side of the equation. So if I put a coefficient of 3 in front of FeO and I change my tallies to match, that now gives me 3 oxygen and it gives me 3 iron. Okay, fantastic. Oxygen is balanced. There's just one problem. Now my iron's unbalanced, but that's going to be fairly easy to fix. Okay, starting from where I left off, I've got oxygen balanced, but iron's not balanced. If I put a coefficient of 3 in front of Fe, now my iron is balanced. Yay! The only thing left to deal with is my aluminum, which isn't balanced. So how do I fix that? I've got 2 aluminum on the reactant side and only 1 on the product side. Okay, to get 2 aluminum on the product side, what if I put a coefficient of 2 in front of my Al? Change my tally. Now, hey, look at that. Aluminum has 2 on each side, oxygen has 3 on each side, and iron has 3 on each side. I'm done. I balanced. Yay!